Hi, I'm Josh Bowman, Product Manager for QxControl, and in this section we're going to cover clips. Clips, as we've covered in both the search and timeline lessons, this is the repository for the clips that we have uploaded into the cloud, and we're using that 20 gigabyte of cloud storage per camera that's included with your cloud license. Now, we will get a little bit of feedback on the clip widgets themselves, just like we do on other pages. Green disk means that the status is complete, the upload is finished, it is properly saved in the clips page. Also, if you see an hourglass, that is going to indicate that there is an expiration date and will reflect the expiration of that clip. We also have a kebab menu on the lower right, which gives us the option to download to our device or delete that clip. But we can also perform those same functions here inside the clip itself. So once we click on that clip, you can see that we are playing that clip with the same playback controls we have elsewhere. Also, this is a fisheye camera, so even though it is a past event, this is recorded, we can still enable this fisheye de-warp through the PTZ button. We can zoom in and around and look at everything that occurred, not just what we were looking at when it was recorded. We get a lot of great information here below, such as the duration, the start and end time where it actually occurred, upload status and size, and all of the relevant information about the camera and its location. It's also going to show you any existing shared links that have been created, and we can actually edit those links either to add or remove individuals that received a share link, as well as delete those links if we no longer want them to have access, and we can also search through that as well. Also, if you look here, we have the actions button. This is going to have the same options we had exterior to the widget, but also gives us the ability to share. If we choose share, this is a pretty easy process, so we can choose from any of the existing system users. We can also type in new information here. So we're going to add an email address. And you're going to see that this is, of course, not an individual that is already a user. So what we'll need to do then is click below to select. If you have successfully entered and selected that email address, you'll see this blue icon pop up. We can choose whether there is an expiration or not. You could also make it a single use, meaning they can log into that clip through the link once and then it expires. But we'll just choose a basic expiration, and by default it is going to give 30 days. This of course can be changed to whatever you like. At that point we can choose share. You can see that the clip has been shared successfully, so now that individual, who happens to be me, that's my personal email, that will send an email with a link to view this clip remotely. Also, very helpful if I would like to also separately email, or if I'm on my mobile device and I would like to paste the link and send that in a text message or other type of message, you can copy and paste the link very simply here. So that covers the first page of View Clip. We can now go to Edit Clip. And in the Edit Clip, we can change the name of the clip. We can change or add to the description. And you can see here this has no expiration. We could actually change that and add an expiration, or we could just simply delete the clip if we no longer want to keep it. And again, as we work through these different pages, these same clip options will continue to persist. Now, another very important component of clips that adds a lot of value is the audit logs. The audit log means this is going to show all the times that someone has created a link and shared this clip. It's also going to show all the times that someone has viewed this clip. So if you would like to keep track, especially if this perhaps contains some sensitive information, you have full control over who can see it, and you have full visibility to who has looked at this clip. That concludes our lesson on clips. Thank you.